Hello everyone, today we are going camping. If you don't already know, I live on a remote island off the coast of Alaska, and right now all the gray whales are currently migrating up from Mexico up to us. So I'm about to shoot up my drone. I've seen a bunch of the spouts just on the shoreline here and it looks really clear, so I think we're gonna see a ton. All right, here we go, I'm about to shoot it up. Oh my god. Oh, there's so many. Craziest thing I've ever seen. Here's Will waiting for me. I think we're about to start the fire. I don't know if it's an Alaska thing, but all the cows come to the beach at night, which is kind of cool. I can see them. They're over there. They're just over there. So we're actually doing our fire before tent setup, which we usually don't do.
All right, ready? Hopefully it still works.
I know it's raining, so hopefully it doesn't put out the fire. Should I add this?
Yeah, go for it. Yep.
Okay, we didn't really pick the best day for camping. It's literally raining and cold. But this is typical Alaska, actually.
Yep.
Already?
Should I let it?
I've never done like a pallet.
There you go.
Okay, I'm gonna give a quick campsite tour, even though we haven't even set up our tent. Behind me right here is the fire food section. Right here is Will's truck. That are the cows. All of this is just mountains. It would be really pretty green mountains if it weren't so cloudy. Behind me is the ocean. And we will hopefully set up our tent right over here.
It's getting there. Just gotta give it time.
Any professional fire makers, don't judge us. I forgot to give the most important part of the tour, and it's the fact that the lupines are back. It's lupine season. Look at how gorgeous these are. The lupines are my favorite part about summer in Alaska. Like, no matter, oh, I just saw pink ones. Stop. I've never seen these before, but these are pink. Incredible, oh my god. Oh, this one's fallen. Oh, I can't believe they're back. They're so gorgeous. I don't know if it's so many months of it being rainy and brown. You just see this and you're like, summer's here. This is gonna be our home for the night. We're gonna set up right here.
I think it's so easy. The best tent ever.
Guys, we have lupines next to our tent.
Pallet fire. That's gonna light.
Now, usually, if you watch my other videos, we go all out on the camp cooking. Today, we got pizza. That is because I just can't. Sometimes I see these camp recipe videos and as soon as there's chopping an onion that's involved, you know, that's a little too much for me.
Never did it. It's fire, but a bad thing.
Where did it happen?
Yeah.
Hawaiian slice to manifest moving to Hawaii.
Cheers.
following what I think is a cow trail because I want to find this field of lupines that I know rests on one of these mountains. Oh, we need to go around, I think.
Yeah, it's pretty muddy.
This is all mud and slush, so we have to find a way to get over there. But I think we found it. Wait, how'd you get there? Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. I can run.
So many of them.
I'm not gonna lie, the whole reason I wanted to camp here was to find this field. I can't believe we found it. It was
eagle.
Stop. Here. Oh. You can kind of see it. But we find the field of lupines. Well, it was actually really easy. I don't know why I'm like celebrating, but it looks insane. I've been hunting for this field for over a year. I just couldn't pinpoint where it was. I cannot believe we found it. Okay, we just got back from the flower field and I took too long taking photos and I killed Will's fire. Are you mad? He says he's not mad, but I know he's mad.
Very hard on. No I'm kidding.
I mean, he kind of did. I feel like letting a man's fire die because you're taking photos is like really bad. I think we're trying to get it going. Look, there's a little flame. Oh.
Wherever we go, if I got you, we'll sail the blue. Wherever we go, we may not know, but you, my love, my home is you.
We're gonna ignore how I look right now. I just woke up a few minutes ago, but last night's sleep wasn't bad. We fell asleep to the sound of the ocean, super peaceful. Now we're gonna pack up and head home. So if you've watched all this way, thank you so much for watching along my little camping journey here in Alaska. Super wild place to be. Oh, I think I saw a whale spout just now. yeah, it's a super wild place to live and be, and it's extremely beautiful, and I'm so grateful, and I'm so grateful you're here, so thank you.